Hello, everyone. I want to welcome you to this webinar on protecting yourself against scams and frauds during COVID. My name is Renee McElroy, and I am the founder and CEO of Touchstones Financial Wellness Services, and I will be your presenter today. Currently, the Federal Trade Commission and the Consumer Protection Bureau has warned that COVID-19 has become and has been a very active time for scams and frauds. Therefore, there are several rules that you need to follow when answering phone calls and even opening your mail during this time. One, do not provide your personal or financial information in response to a phone call. Two, be very suspicious of any call concerning treatments related to COVID-19. Three, be very suspicious of any call offering special deals related to masks, cleaning products, or any other offers related to COVID-19. The Federal Trade Commission has warned about an increasing number of scams and frauds related to vaccines, test kits, and even cures or treatments related to COVID-19, as well as air filter systems that are designed to remove COVID-19 from the air in your home. As we all know, there has yet to be a vaccine developed for this virus that is available widespread and that is a known cure for COVID-19. Therefore, if you receive a phone call, an email, or a text message or letter which claims to sell you any of these items listed, it's a scam. So you may ask, what should I do instead? Testing is available through your local and state governments, but these tests are not delivered to your house. If you do find yourself in need of a COVID-19 test, the best advice is to contact your primary care physician or local health department for the closest test site to you. Now, as you know, there are test kits now available that can be delivered to you, to your home. However, please make sure that you know what test sites are available that are through the county or the state, and make sure that they are true test kits that have been approved by the CDC. Now, there are also fake COVID-related charity scams that are out there as well. Now, a charity scam is when a thief poses as a real charity or makes up the name of a charity that sounds real to get money from you. Now, you need to be careful about any charity who calls you asking for donations. Now, also be careful if you get a call following up on a donation pledge that you don't remember making. This could also be a scam. So you may ask, what should I do instead? If you are able to help financially at this time, visit the website of an organization you are currently donating to and make your donation online. Now, make sure your money is going to the right place and that you print out your receipt. This allows your donation to be done securely and allows you to track the funds. Now, person in interest scams. Now, a person in interest scam, currently, scammers are using the coronavirus to pose as relatives or a friend in need, claiming to be ill, stranded in another state or foreign country, or otherwise in trouble and asking you to send them money or to buy gift cards. Now, these calls may even come from government offices such as police officers or court agents. These scammers often beg you to keep it a secret and act fast before you can ask them questions. So you may ask, what should I do instead? Well, first and foremost, don't panic. Take a deep breath, breathe, and get the facts. Hang up and call your family or friends' phone number to see if the story checks out. You could also call a different friend or relative and have them check out the story. Don't send money unless you are sure it's the real person who contacted you. If it is a legal representative, have them give you a case number that you can take down to the court or police department and verify. Do not give anything over the phone. So scams that target Social Security benefits. While local Social Security Administration offices were closed to the public due to COVID-19 concerns, Social Security Administration has not been suspended or decreased, or your Social Security benefits have not decreased payments, or supplemental security income payments have not been decreased due to the current COVID-19 pandemic. And the Social Security Administration offices are currently open, and you can reach them also by phone. Scammers have been contacting individuals to mislead them into believing they need to provide personal information or pay by gift card, wire transfer, internet currency, or by mailing cash to maintain their regular benefit payments during the COVID period. Any communication that says the Social Security Administration will suspend or decrease your benefits due to COVID is a scam, whether you receive it by letter, text, email, or phone call. So you may ask, what should I do instead? Report Social Security scams to the Social Security Administration Inspector General online at oig.ssa.gov. Now, there is financial help for older adults. Older adults may have financial concerns during the pandemic, including being targeted by scammers, experiencing separation from caregivers who help manage their money, or facing tough choices prior to and during retirement. There are resources to help them specifically. You can contact your local Department of Human Resources and Services through the Office on Aging, and in Maryland, you can also contact Maryland Access Point or MAP Office for Assistance at 410-313-1414. 1234. So what to do if scammers are offering help with errands for our older adults? Now, if someone you don't know offers to help you pick up your groceries, your prescriptions, and any other necessary supplies, please be wary. Some scammers offer to buy supplies, but they never return the goods or your money. So what do you do if you think you're being scammed? The best defense against a scam is to say no. If anyone contacts you by phone, in person, or by text message or email and asks for your social security number, your bank account, your credit card number, especially your Medicare ID number, your driver's license number, and any other personal identifiable number, what do you do? Well, you want to report a scam or a suspected scam to first to your local police or sheriff's office. Then you want to contact your state attorney general by visiting the National Association of Attorney General's website. You can do this by going to www.naag.org. You can also, if you have been a victim and you are an older person or a person with a disability, you can contact your local Adult Protective Services agency. You can find this by going to your state or local agency at the Elder Care Locator at www.eldercare.gov or by calling 800-677-1116. And if someone you know or you care about is a victim of fraud, scam, or financial exploitation, you can also submit a complaint with the Federal Trade Commission by going to their website at ftc.gov. Because all scams are different, you might have to reach out to a number of other state, federal, or local agencies depending on your situation. Thank you all for joining this important webinar. If you need any individual assistance, you can schedule a one-on-one financial counseling session, or if you need any financial tools mentioned in this webinar, you can contact our office at Touchstones Financial Wellness at gmail.com or go directly to our website at touchstonesfinancialwellness.gov or call us at 410-707-1378. Thank you so much and have a good day.